Hi, Wendy here at the Denver Museum of Miniatures, Dolls, and Toys, and I've been playing a lot of Legos because I got to hang out with my nephew Tucker, who is a Lego genius. And then I was talking about Legos with my very good friend Mitch, and I had this idea of maybe sharing a different idea for Legos beyond just building really cool structures. Today we're going to just make some really simple Lego mazes. I'm going to use a small base like this. I already put the edges on because you guys got that. And I'll just do a little bit of a maze in there, and I've got a marble. Sometimes board games have marbles or other mazes, or sometimes even flower arrangements have marbles. Ask whoever you take the marble from where you take it from so you can put it back, because nothing is worse than opening a board game that you're all excited to play and to be missing a marble. So be mindful of that. But all you're going to need is some Legos, a base like this, and let's do it. Okay, you can see I've got my base with a little gap in the edge, and I checked to see that my marble can fit through that gap. Very important. And then I am using the second base as like a launch pad because I didn't want to get out all my Legos. And we're just going to go for it. So I'm going to do an entrance and the exit at the same place. So we're going to go around. But if you have a bigger base, you could come in one way and go all over the place and then enter a second way. This is your maze. Don't get too caught up in rules. So I measured, and my marble needs two dots to go through. So that means wherever there's a corner or wherever I have a blind alley, I'm going to need 2 spaces in between. And I'm just going to go for it. I didn't map this out. So I'm not, going off of some super good plan here. That's kind of my general Lego MO, is to just wing it, which I'm not going to lie has gotten me into trouble before, but that's okay, right? And see, if I move this one over a little bit, I can move this one over a little bit, and then I have 2 paths around this to make it a little more tricky. Some people like to build from the exit to the entrance, and I also think that's a lot of fun to do. But as I said, this is your piece, so don't get too hung up on what other people say you should do. All right. Oh, I wanted to use this one, but I think it's too big. And I did find that I didn't really need to do more than 1 layer tall, which is nice because that makes this kind of a fast build. Oh, I think I'm just gonna ruin that straight shot out right there with one little bug. Okay. Do I like that? Yeah, so let's see how successful I am. So I've got my marble. Oh man, that's the tricky part. Oh, I can't get out that way. I did it. All right, you guys have fun. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I hope some of you have some big bases and can get really into it. Anyway, happy Legoing.